In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the spots remaining in your classes in Acuity Scheduling. Hi, I'm Jess, the multitasking maven. Every day, I help entrepreneurs like you set up systems for success. In fact, I have a free, quick and dirty, how to set up Acuity Scheduling guide linked below to get you started. My dear friend, Suzanne Muro, has all of her classes in Acuity, and it is embedded on her website. So when we click on her Wednesday morning yoga flow class, you'll see that she has 7 spots remaining in class. She doesn't want people to see how many spots are remaining in the class, so I'm going to show you how to fix that in Acuity. Log into your Acuity scheduling platform. This is your homepage. Scroll down to Customize Appearance. Tap on Scheduling Page Options and scroll down to Classes, Hide Spots Remaining in Class. And be sure to tap on Save. Once you've hit Save and turned off the spots remaining in class, go back to your website, tap on your appointment, and you'll see that the spots remaining in class no longer exist. Watch this video now for more help with Acuity scheduling and subscribe today. I can be your YouTube, OBM, Acuity scheduling, multitasking maven. See you soon.